In this video, I am going to show you on how you can integrate your Shopify with Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, click right here on your top left to access this drop-down menu, and then click on Admin Center. This is where we can make the integration happen. So, after you see your left panel right here, so wait for a few seconds. Now, go to Apps and Integrations, and then click on Integrations. You should see the Shopify option right here. So, click right here on the three dots and then Connect. After that, as you can see, since I already logged in to my Shopify account, automatically my Zendesk is now connected to my Shopify App Store. As easy as that. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.